What's up, guys and gals? Roy from Roy's Customs here. I wanted to do a little bit of an updated review on the KT Industries welding hood with the wide angle Gen 2 lens. It came to my attention that the old video wasn't all that good and I had just got it. So I really wanted to do an updated review on it. Of course, it does have all the bells and whistles that you would expect from a good quality welding hood. It actually has the face shield come down to the neck, has a nice broad angle lens and protective cover. It seals very well, so you're probably not going to have to duct tape your lens to keep it from fogging up inside. It has the 4 sensors. Of course, it has a nice wide solar panel on it. It of course has the low to high sensitivity. You can select grind or weld, and it actually has the delay in the short, medium, and long delay. It also has from 9 all the way to 13 for the shade. It has the adjustment for the crown. It has the speed dial for the tension on your head. And you can actually adjust how far away this thing is from your face. If you want it up close, you get it up close. If you want it far away, you can put it far away. You can adjust it to wherever you're comfortable with. It also has another adjustment here for where it actually sits as far as like the height of it, how far down you want it to go on your neck or whatever to sit down on your neck. And it also has two 3-volt batteries. They're 3-volt lithium batteries. There's one on this side and one on this side, which comes out, and they're kind of a pain to get out. They're clipped in there pretty good, so you actually have to hold the other piece in order to pull this thing out. But that's one 3-volt lithium battery, and then the other one of course is on the other side. So, and it's actually good that they hold in there so well. So anyways, I just wanted to do a real quick update on it. It came to my attention that, you know, the other video was kind of outdated and stuff, so I wanted to kind of update a little bit and show you this, and then you speed it, tighten it to how you want it. Boom. It's very good quality. Like I say, I've had this one for 3 or 4 years. I can't remember how long exactly I've had it. You'd have to check the old video to see when I put it on, because I actually had made the video like 2 days after I got it. So anyways, fully adjustable, and it's very good quality. It works really well. Like I say, Gen 2 broad angle lens. You got plenty of vision, plenty of view. You got full adjustments on, you know, your sensitivity and your shade and your delay, and you've got four different sensors in it, you know, so that way you know it should work like it's supposed to. You know, you do have a battery test button inside as well. It's just sort of on the lens. You push the button, and if it doesn't darken, then that means your batteries are no good and you need to replace them. But with the solar panel, it keeps them pretty well charged, and they are lithium, so they should last quite a long time. The size of the battery is a type CR2450, and it takes 2 of those. So anyways, I'm pretty sure that they still sell these. I don't know if they've gone to a new type of lens or not, but I see the same ones, just like this one. So I'm gonna almost guess that maybe they've still got the same Gen 2 lens. I don't know. I haven't really looked that much into them. I just know that I really like mine. And like I say, I wanted to do an updated review for everybody and let you know after all these years it still works great. I haven't even had to change the batteries yet, but I have used it quite a bit and I love it. It's comfortable. It's fully adjustable, and anytime I want to, I can change the positions on all this stuff. You know, nothing's set in stone. I like the fact that it has a speed strap so that, you know, you don't have to try to adjust to get it to fit to your head. You just twist it and go. So anyways, that's kind of really all I got to say about it. You know, I just really wanted to do an update, and you know, and that way you guys could see. And I wanted to do it right this time. You know, have some real information for you about the actual use of it and the long term, the longevity of it. You know, it's very durable. I've not had no problems with. I've dropped it and stuff a bunch of times, and I actually threw it a couple of times too, which I shouldn't have because I could have damaged the lens. But anyways, that just goes to show you it's pretty damage resistant. You know. Anyways, I didn't really throw it because I was mad or anything. I threw it because I had burnt my hand a couple of times, and I had to get it off my head real quick, and I burnt my hand. And so anyways, it wasn't like an intentional I was angry or anything. It was like I had to get it off my face real fast and get my glove off because I burnt my hand. But anyways, you know, KT Industries, it's a really good welding hood. I'm really impressed with it. I have to say that it's actually way better than the one that I had got from Harbor Freight, and I really don't like to knock Harbor Freight stuff because I buy Harbor Freight stuff quite a bit because it's inexpensive and stuff. So and some of it's really good stuff. It's just their welding hoods don't even compare to this. It really doesn't. I hate to say that. I know that sounds terrible, but you know, I would recommend this welding hood to just about anyone who is an avid to major hobbyist, or somebody that just needs one for even a little bit heavier stuff. I actually used this whenever I was doing industrial welding, and it worked really well for that too. Of course, I had to turn the shade up quite a bit for the industrial welding because it's not quite like hobby welding. Hobby welding, I usually have it around 9 or 10 and I'm okay, but for the industrial welding that I was doing, I had it up to probably, I think it was almost 12 and a half or 13. It was cranked up to make sure that, you know, I didn't blind myself or even have any thoughts of blinding myself. So anyways, I got mine at Orscheln's. I'm sure you can get them online. I'm sure you can get them on Amazon, I'm guessing. Probably eBay. You could probably get them all kinds of places. You could go to Orschelns.com and probably order one and they'd send you one to your house, I'm sure. But anyways, I don't know. I just know I got mine in the store. So alright guys, gals, I appreciate y'all watching. Feel free to subscribe, like the video, hit the notifications. I may end up updating some more of my old videos. That way I actually have some lighting and you know, and I have a little bit more information on some of the stuff that I did before because it was stuff that I had got new. So anyways, have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.